It's Monday, the first day of the week. Huwag natin sirain ang buong linggo, ha? Now, kiss your old man and go. Come on. Sylvia, mahal ko ang babaeng ito. As I love you.
I don't think so, Papa. To the young, marriage is an act of love. But to you, it's legalized prostitution.
Mukhang malaking expenses natin this year. Di naman to charity institution.
Oo nga eh. At yan ang isa sa gusto kong pag-usapan natin sa board meeting na ito ngayon.
Mabuti. O yung bakanteng position natin.
Pag-usapan din natin yan.
Good evening, Mrs. Osaita. Leo? Arthur? Sorry I'm late.
It's all right. Sanay na naman kami. Dory, paalala mo sa akin sa Pasko, ririgaluhan ko si Don Adolfo ng bagong relo.
Mrs. Tabora, ipalala mo nga sa akin, ipalala kay Mrs. Osaita na huwag niyang kalilimutan ipadala sa akin ang bagong relo. I'll be expecting it.
Yes, sir.
All right. Let's get to it. Life is short.
Don Adolfo, to know that life is short, one must have lived quite long.
Mapapansin nyo sa item number 3 na may malaking increase sa proposed budget para sa susunod na school year. Kailangan natin yan para matapos agad ang physics laboratory.
Pwede bang i-defer na muna natin to? I don't think the need is immediate.
Paghihintayin ba natin ng education, gawa lang ng pangangailangan natin sa pera? Marami pa naman diyang rich and willing patron. Madaling mag-raise ng pera kung for a good cause. Andiyan si Don Adolfo.
Ano naman ang kapalit ng pera ko? You pay me back with flattery while I support you with insolence?
That's what a patron is, di ba?
Basta ba tatapatan ng asawa mo ibibigay ko?
Dan,
All right, that's settled. What's next?
Kailangan sigurong tapusin natin ang problema sa history department. Malapit ang pasukan, baka tayo magipit sa panahon. Si Mr. Singson, ang department head, ay nag-resign a month ago. I am recommending a young man, Antonio Marsona, to replace him.
tama ba narinig ko? Sinong irinirekomenda mo?
Antonio Marsona.
Don Adolfo, kilala mo ba kung sino ang taong ito?
From what Leo said, I gather Antonio Marsona is a male teacher.
I'll tell you about him. Wala siyang kwentang tao, walang palabra de honor. Tumanggap siya ng teaching job sa Brent School, pumirma ng kontrata for the whole school year, tapos biglang nawala. Just like that, for no reason at all. Kanino bang idea to? Who suggested him in the first place?
I did.
Mr. Papa, ang welfare ng mga bata, the students of today, the leaders of tomorrow, ay nakapatong sa ating mga kamay. A responsibility that should not be taken lightly. We're asked to approve on a teacher, hindi isang basurero sa kanto.
Marzona is a teacher. Very good one, I understand. An honor student at State University with excellent references. May asawa, disenteng babae.
Mrs. Marsona is not decent. 3 buwan siyang buntis bago siya ikinasal. She's also a bad mother. Ang bata namatay, pinabayaan niya.
Mrs. Osaita, buntis din ang asawa ko 5 buwan bago ko siya pinakasalan. Wala pa kasi kaming pera noon. Are you implying that my late wife is also indecent? The street where you live, a building in this school is named after her. Leo, ano pa bang dapat natin malaman tungkol dito kay Marsona? So we can vote.
Meron dyan nagsasabi, during his school days, may communistic leanings daw siya. In his speech, he once told the audience that some of the greatest writers were Russians.
What's wrong with that? Nagsasabi lang ng totoo yung tao. My favorite writer is also a Russian, si Vladimir Nabokov. Tell me about the Brent School incident.
There is this daughter of an ambassador, a senior student. Mahina yung babae sa history subject. Tumawag sa kanyang ama to apply pressure on Tony. Dumating yung ama, pinagsabihan si Tony to pass her daughter, or else marami siyang kaibigan in the right places. Bumaksak yung babae sa exam. Tony gave her a 50 for the quarter. So, Tony lost his job. He had to quit.
An honest man. Walang takot. I vote that we hire this fellow.
I'm with you.
Just a minute. I won't stand for this.
Mrs. Osaita, you've been outvoted.
I don't care. Hindi pa tayo tapos.
Mrs. Osaita, after this meeting, Arthur and I are going to sign our names on the contract, hiring Antonio Marsona. You may join us, or you may not. It's entirely